This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by lisakent. Great Rambler conveniently located in Whatcom County. This homey 3-bedroom 1.5 bath house features a well-thought-out floor plan with updates throughout. Open concept living and dinner room with cozy wood fireplace. Master bedroom with ensuite bath. Large 2-car garage with ample storage. Spacious fully fenced backyard with covered deck, garden area, and fruit trees, perfect for backyard gatherings or peaceful evenings around the fire pit. Don't miss out on this opportunity. For more information, review the details below or contact lisakent at 360-594-8034.